Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Oh my gosh, thank you very much, Ina. Thank you very much, everyone. Maraming salamat guys for the birthday greet. And of course, I'm really blessed na ma-celebrate yung birthday ko kasama kayong lahat dito ngayon sa ating Mall of Asia Atrium. And to all of our Sega and Atos fans, maraming salamat for being here today. You know what? It's really passionate that you spent your birthday.
Ano yung ginagawa mo?
Hindi ko natuloy na...
Actually, sinadya ako na mag-red hair. Ay, no. Joke lang guys. And I really love Metaphor and Hulkenberg, so I really wanted to cosplay her here today. Originally, I was just planning on streaming, but when they told me that the Sega Atlas Festival was happening, I told them that I'm going to be there. I'm very excited. And thank you
Ano
very
yan?
much to
Ano man?
everyone here today.
Red Dragon.
So we're still waiting for 5 more minutes and Ian, do you
Baba mo
want to
nga yung
ask a few
graphics.
questions sa ating mga audience members?